Several means more than a few but not many. It usually refers to a small number, often between 3 and 10. It is used to describe an unspecified quantity that is more than a few but less than many. Here are some examples using the word several. She bought several books from the store. We received several emails this morning. Several students arrived early. There are several options available. These show how the word several is used with countable things. Several fits on a number scale between few and many. Few means a very small number, several is a small to medium number, and many means a large number. So, several means more than few but less than many. You can use several in sentences like, I need several minutes to finish. They planted several trees yesterday. Several people called this morning. Notice that several is always used with countable nouns. Several is used with countable plural nouns, such as books, people, and options. It should not be used with uncountable nouns like water, money, or advice. Always remember to match several with nouns that can be counted. Quick rules to remember. Several only goes with countable plural nouns. It is incorrect to use several with uncountable nouns. Also remember the scale. Few comes before several, and many comes after. Practice by trying sentences with several friends or several water. Remember, several works with countable things like books, people, cars, and houses. Using it with uncountable nouns is wrong. Keep practicing to get comfortable with these rules.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.